8:54 a.m. I am having breakfast, muesli and yogurt. We are going out today. It's just a random day in my life type of vlog, and yeah. So yeah. What is the time right now? It is 9:45. I've been up since 6 a.m. guys, like 6 a.m. So let me put my phone down. I am going to check out a few shops and go hunting for a birthday outfit, and yeah, that's what's up. Before that, like before I step out of the house, skincare, shower, to destroy this cupboard that's been here for absolute no reason, and it's gotta get out, like, period. Y'all see all the mirrors in my goddamn house. Ooh. So yeah, that cupboard has got to go. I don't know if y'all want to see me do some handiwork, but I'm gonna show it anyway. So I'm gonna put this in speed mode. How I already kind of took off the doors. Yes, girl. No muscles, skinny AF, but I'm still sexy, and I still got the manpower. Yeah, y'all can watch me remove this. I don't know. You want to skip for it? Do you? This is the outfit for today, guys. I just paired them with my sandal boots, jeans, and this top. A sample of my collection as well. Pretty. So yeah. Obviously gonna have to put on my mask and sunscreen before I head out, but this is the fit for today. So I headed to the 99 shop in Salt River. Literally almost everything is 100 rand. Their stuff is from Shein, and they do have quite a variety, and their stuff is cute, but I found nothing that I wanted for my birthday there. But go ahead and check them out. So basically, I did not want to get copyrighted for the music that was playing in the background. Check out my cute bag. Yeah. Anyways, this is just gonna be a few videos next of my ride to town. I'm visiting a new sneaker store that opened up in town, and I am headed to go check it out. It's brand new, and I suggest y'all go check it out too. Enjoy the ride.
Because like everybody is not everybody gonna come to your life just to please you or to make you progress. But they are just coming to you Just
So literally when you come in, it has the 47 Jump Street branding. This is what we call branding. And then this is what you see like as soon as you come in. So it's hella dope. And there's like literally a wall with sneakers. Guys, I am in love. So once again, I am not trying to get copyrighted for the music that's playing in the store, but they were playing really dope music. Justin Timberlake was playing in the background. Let me take you upstairs, guys. They literally have an upstairs, but I spoke to the owner, and he said that the upstairs, once the store is finished, is going to be private and hold private events there and whatever. But it is dope. It's an empty space at the moment upstairs. It's basically a loft studio where the store is located, but it is gorgeous. So it's on the corner of Loop and Bloom Street, Cape Town CBD, guys. Basically Bloom Street, 47 Jump Street. That's where it's at. Okay, guys. So I am at 47 Jump Street, as you guys can see, and yo, this place is amazing. So I'm back home. My day didn't go the way I expected to do, but I'm gonna continue this vlog into like segments of Cape Town's basically Cape Town's sneaker street with shoes and all of that.